Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to use Vue CLI to create a simple project. First, we are going to install the CLI with this command npm install with the -g add vue /CLI and just hit enter. Now we have Vue CLI installed on our system. We can execute this command in a new directory. First, I'm going to just clear the terminal. We can type vue create a vue dash demo directory. We can select the default option by pressing enter at each prompt. So I'm just going to keep entering and go with the default values. Now we can enter the directory cd vue dash demo and start the program by using the command yarn serve and hit enter. And our development server is running on localhost 8080 or the network address over here. And we can see on this URL, localhost 8080 port, we can see our Vue application is up and running. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.